over $100 in the first week. Now, it sounds ridiculous, but look, in today's video, I'm going to share with you results from a case study, but ultimately, I am going to share with you, hands down, the easiest and simplest way anybody can make money online. You don't need skills, you don't need any experience, you don't have to be on camera, you don't have to talk, you don't need any money, and here's the cool thing, it literally takes 10 minutes a day, if that. Sounds ridiculous, but I'm going to prove it to you. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome, and boy is this a great video. It genuinely is going to be a great video. So here's what I would like you to do for me if you'd be so kind. If you are doing this method yourself, please comment down below. If you like this method, give the video a like. And I'm going to give one of you the access to this case study on the screen. So if you want to get into the university, comment case study down below, okay? So today's video, we're going to be looking at something which is relatively new to me, which is known as the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now, here's the thing about this, okay? When we say TikTok, people think, bloody hell, I've got to be on camera and all this stuff. You don't. You don't even have to put your voice on this. Now, I started a case study on this method a little over, well, we're in day 9, so it was 8 days ago, okay? And inside of the university, this over here is my online training platform. Inside of here, we do these case studies, okay? Now you can see here, TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, honestly, please watch this video till the end because it's going to blow your mind. I'm going to share with you my numbers inside of my phone here in a second. We'll dive in here. And I'll also share with you different ways people are doing this method because it's just ridiculous, okay? So let me just show you some of the numbers, okay? So if I scroll down here, you can see, and by the way, you can see on here, we've got how to get TikTok to make videos. TikTok will even do the videos for you. It's crazy, okay? So by day 2, we earn our first commission with this method. We can also get free products by, let's come down here, day 2, another commission. Day 3, the numbers were growing. Day 4, we had a really good day. Day 5, again, we earned a pretty decent amount of money. Day 6, day 7, and then day, oh, hang on, let me just refresh that. Hopefully, we should have day 8 on here now because yesterday was day 8, and yesterday, unbelievable. Let's scroll down here and have a look. Has it gone on yet? Yes, best day yet. That was yesterday. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive in my phone and I'll show you how all of this works and how you can get this set up because you're going to be blown away. And I'm telling everyone about this, okay, because it is definitely the easiest method I have seen since, well, probably ever to start making money online, okay? So if you are in the university, please go through this case study and get started with it because you won't find an easier way, okay? So let's dive in the phone and I'll share with you the numbers and how all of this works. And I'll also share with you some examples of people who are doing this method in a really unique way because it's ridiculous. So let's dive in the phone. Okay, so this is the account that we have been testing for this method over on TikTok. Now, essentially, how this method works is, over inside of the TikTok shop, this over here, where they've got all these different products on sale, you can basically link to any of these products in your videos, and if somebody buys one of those products, TikTok will pay you. Now, here's a crazy thing, okay? Not only will TikTok pay you, they will create the videos for you. So you're not on camera, you're not speaking, you don't even have to have the product. So I'll share with you this example here, look. So this was a video I did, you can see 2 hours ago. It's this, okay? And it has transitions in the video, it has text over the top of this, it has a link embedded inside of the video. So if I click here where it says get the kitchen, it goes over here. If I was to buy this product now or somebody else did, then I would earn an affiliate commission, okay? It's unreal, it really is. And we've been doing this case study for a number of days, and some of the videos have done really well, some of them have not done, the best, but we've just been trialing and testing this. And it's been staggering. So for example, I'll scroll up here. If you look at the top right, you will see it says less than £3. This over here, again, I got TikTok to create this video for us. This, what is it, a 20-second video that TikTok created earned us nearly $40. $40 from this video is ridiculous, okay? And then recently what I did was, so this is how we started this, just getting TikTok to make these videos for us. Some of them got thousands of views, some of them got hundreds of views. And then yesterday, as part of the case study, I said, right, we're going to mix it up a little bit. We're going to maybe try either picking something like this here, where I just did a screenshot and then I spoke over the top of it, And then also, if I did find a product that was on the TikTok shop, I would create a video. So again, if you look at the top right now where it says less than 12, if I click on there, see this video here? This video, yesterday, all I did was take out my phone and record. I wasn't speaking, I wasn't on camera. It had over 28,000 views and I earned nearly £50. So nearly, well, it was about $64 from that one video. It's ridiculous. It genuinely is, okay? So the first criteria to this is you need to have 1,000 followers on TikTok and have posted a video within the last 28 days, okay? That's very simple to do. But once you've gone ahead and you've got that, you can then join the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And I'll show you what it looks like now. So we're going to the TikTok Shop over here, okay? Now you can see so far today, this is here, my data, £75 in sales, 7 items sold, 3 orders. So if I click on this, the numbers are going to be very red from yesterday, because yesterday was our best day ever. So you can see the numbers on here, okay? You can scroll through and see which videos have done well, and then you can just keep scrolling through. But let me go back and I'll show you this, okay? So I'm going to scroll down the page here, and I am going to click on commissions. So you can see I've got some money actually available to withdraw, but if I click on affiliate orders, so basically that is the product. Bring this up. This is the product that somebody's bought. You will see on the left hand side it says commission based £12.99, estimated commission £1.95. So somebody bought a bottle of Prime, I earned nearly £2. Scroll down here, somebody bought a multifunctional lamp, I earned nearly £2. Let me go past these Primes because we had a lot of those coming yesterday. As you can see, this was just ridiculous, wasn't it? And I want to show you some other commissions that we had coming in from this, because I've literally just been picking out random things. So look, some headphones there. I earned £2 from that video. Again, TikTok did the video for me. I don't even have the product. And if we come further down here, look, somebody bought a writing tablet. Somebody bought a softbox photography. Some people have bought bed sheets on here, little fidget toys, an advent calendar, a light, a glow-in-the-dark football, I mean, look at that handbag. I earned £2.90 from it. I didn't do anything. I literally just picked the product, TikTok created the video, and I shared it on the account and we earned money. It's crazy. It really is. So let me come back over here and I'll show you how this works, okay? So inside of the TikTok shop, you click on Product Marketplace, okay? And then you can come in here and you can see all of the items which are the best-selling items that day. You can see trending shops and other bits. Okay, but how it works is you go through and you find a product you like the look of. So for example, this one here at the top right, I can see it costs £10. If anybody watches the video and clicks the link, TikTok will pay us £2, okay? So if I click on here now and go into this, you can see this is the actual product, some soundbar, lights and other bits. If I want to promote this now, and you can see there's 51 of these in stock, I click on this little button here, and then what happens here is this over here is where TikTok will create the video for you. So you can only get 100 text in here, okay? So let's go ahead and get rid of some of this, okay? So we will just do this. So we're gonna don't miss out, tap the link below, RGB cut, let's just get rid of some of the text on here just so I can show you really quickly this. Okay, that will do, okay? And then you've got some options here. You can select these, so you could put top rated, bestseller, price discount, etc. I'll put price discount. Then we've got add a call to action sticker. We can leave that on. And then I click on generate video. Now, ultimately, you can do this method however you like. If you wanted to create your own videos, you can do, okay? But this is what we was doing in the case study. Finding a product, clicking promote, and then what's happening here is TikTok is creating 5 different videos, and you can pick any one of those videos that you want to post on your account, essentially. And then once you're happy with that, you can put a title on this and a text, and if you really wanted to, you could do stickers and other bits, but we've not been doing that. So you can see on here, we've got a number of different videos, and all you do is you go through and find the one you like the look of. Now what I've figured out is, I've settled on, is this type of video over here. So we have this text just coming over the screen like so, and then it brings in product images from that shop, and then it literally looks like that, okay? So if I wanted to post that, I click on post on TikTok, like so. It just takes a second for this, and then all you need to do here is look. So you give this a name. So this would be the button whereby people would buy the product. So I'm just going to come along here and say, get it here. Oh, like so. Get it here. Click on add. That's it done. And then if I want to add some sound in, I could pick some sound in here, or I could search for some music inside of TikTok. So you'd just go through and you'd pick one. So let's just go with UK Hot 50. Let's just press that one, click on add, and that music will now be playing over the top of the video. And then you click on next, you select a cover up here like so. So find one that you like the look of. So we'll just go through here, maybe that. Let's go back here, let's have a look. Find a bit better one. There we go. That will do. And then here you put in a bit of text over here, okay? So you can just type in whatever you want, but basically you'd include the keyword of the product. And once you've typed in a description, so let me just type something in really quickly, okay? So I'll do this. This is on a flash sale. Grab this quick. I'm not going to post this now, I'm just showing you. And then once you've put in a bit of text, you click on hashtags, and then you would type in what it is, okay? So we'd type in, let's type in gaming room setup, gaming room accessories, etc, etc. And then once you're done with all of that, you simply at the bottom you click on post. And once you've done that, it will then go onto your TikTok account. I'm just going to put that in my drafts because I put a video on there a little while ago. I don't want to overdo it. And then what happens is it goes onto your channel like this. And then it says here, when someone clicks on here, you can earn money. It's ridiculous. Have you seen an easier way to make money with this? I very much doubt it, okay? Now, the other thing I want to share with you really quickly is if we go back over here into the TikTok shop and we scroll down the page here, you can come here and look at some top creators in here, okay? Now, yesterday, I earned I think it was about $64, $65, okay? I wasn't even in the top 100 creators on TikTok who are making money with this method. And you can see today, I'm still not even in the top 100. So people who are in here are absolutely crushing it. And you can do this in a number of ways. So if I click on this one here, this Shaz Reviews, if I go over to this lady's account, essentially all she is doing, as you can see on here, she's just getting a product and showcasing it, okay? So that's one way you can do it. You could do it the way I'm doing it, where the lazy way, you just get TikTok to do this. But then other people are doing this in really different ways, okay? So if I come into like this home and living channel over here, click on here, you can just see they're just showcasing the different products. And this is basically the whole method. So once you've got your followers on TikTok and you've posted a video, you can come over here into the TikTok marketplace and you can promote any product that you want and you're earning money from it. It's absolutely awesome. So there you go. What do you think? Bloody brilliant, isn't it? It is unbelievable. So go ahead and get started on this method today, please, because you will not find a simpler way for earning online. And remember, if you comment case study down below, we're going to pick a winner and you will get access to the university, where you will get access to not just this one case study over here, you'll get access to all of the case studies that we've done and everything else inside of here, including our affiliate marketing category, YouTube, etc. So yeah, take care and I'll see you soon.